Hello, thanks for checking in this lesson. We're going to do a basic tutorial on using Windows to install quick access links to folders in File Explorer, or adding applications using having a quick access tile in the Start menu. So beginning with File Explorer, we want to go ahead and do the videos folder. So as you can see here, we have quick access, and you can see the videos links are there. So you can see it up top under here, or visible here on the left side. So we're going to unpin it first. So we'll begin with the end, right? So we'll take the video, we'll do a right click, and then you can say unpin from quick access. And then it goes away. So we're assuming this is where you are. So right now we're going to go down to the folder that we wanted. So in my case, this is videos folder, and it's located under this PC. So just find the folder that you're interested in, and you can do a right click here, and then you can hit pin to quick access. And then it shows up above at the bottom of the list. And if you wanted to move it and organize your links, all you have to do is click, drag, and drop, and put it. I'm going to put it right underneath pictures, and there you go. We're done. Alternatively, if you were actually you had to find the folder and your contents of the folder were opened on the right side, once it was open, you could then go to the top where it says quick access, do a right click, and then just select pin current folder to quick access. So there's a couple of choices you have on that. All right. So moving on to adding a shortcut tile to your Start menu. For this example, we're going to use OBS. So you can just click on the Windows key, start typing your application name, in this case, OBS. There you go. It pops up. And you can do a right click right on that tile and hit pin to start. Now, to see the result of that action, just go back to your Windows key, and there it is. You see the tile all by itself at the bottom. And now I want to put it and organize this. So again, very much like the File Explorer, drag and drop. We're just going to drag the tile, move it up, and I have a little spot for it right there. Let it go, and there it appears. So next time I want to start the application, I just go to start, and then boom, I click OBS or whatever other application I want. So again, we've covered how to add a shortcut menu, whether it's in the Start menu or in the File Explorer quick access. And we've also covered how to manage and move around your items so it meets your preference. Again, that's just dragging and dropping. And then we finally talked about just looking at whatever shortcut you do have, and you can do a right click on that shortcut, whether it's in the Start menu or in File Explorer, and just hit unpin from either Start or from the quick access. I hope this was really helpful, and I hope you're practicing social distancing and being safe with your family and your friends. So take care, and we'll have another lesson soon.